Direction for use. USB interface. Plug in, auto power on. Then connect the detection handle. To detection probes. 50 times amplification 200 times magnification. Install the detector head and start using it. Replaceable at will. Turn on the lights to see the effect. 200x detection is very high definition. Photos, videos, freeze frame and full picture comparison are supported. Select different parts and take photos for comparison. Switch the 50x probe. Look at the effect. White light epidermal layer. UV spectral face and scalp. Polarized light bottom layer of skin and bottom layer of scalp. The first is the button to extinguish the screen. The second button is the video button. M is for menu browsing button. On the left and right are the select buttons. Click on the menu and select playback. You can view saved photos and videos.